Today, we're exploring why every developer should be using AI tools and how they're changing the game for good. Every programmer is asking, will AI replace me? Well, I'm here to tell you AI is not taking over developers. In fact, it's quite the opposite. It's empowering us to be better, faster, and smarter. In this video, I'll cover what AI tools are for developers, why you need to start using them, and how you can get started today. So, what AI tools you can use as a developer? In simple terms, they're software that uses artificial intelligence to assist developers with their day-to-day tasks. This includes AI coding assistants like GitHub Copilot or ChatGPT, Tabnine, as well as other AI tools for debugging, documentation, testing, automation, and so much more. And no, this is not just hype. These are real things that can significantly boost your productivity and help you deliver better software faster. Here are 3 reasons why every developer should start using AI tools today. First, speed up development. AI can generate code and prototype applications much faster than humans. With AI-powered coding assistants, you'll be able to write code faster and spend more time on the logic and the architecture of your software. Instant access to documentation and code examples. One of the biggest time wasters for developers is searching for documentation or code examples. AI can provide you with the information you need right when you need it, helping you stay productive. Second, fewer bugs, better code. AI-assisted debugging. AI can help you debug your code by suggesting fixes for errors or helping you understand error messages. Unit test generation. AI can generate unit tests for your code, which can help you find bugs early on and improve the quality of your code. Code refactoring suggestions. AI can suggest ways to refactor your code, which can help you write cleaner, more maintainable code. Third, learn while you code. AI can explain code concepts, and design patterns to you, which can help junior developers get up to speed faster. It can also help senior developers stay up to date with the latest coding trends and best practices. Now let's address some common myths about AI tools. AI will replace me. Don't worry, AI is not going to replace you. It's more like a co-pilot that can help you do your job better. It writes bad code. You are still in control of the quality of the code. AI can help you write better code, but ultimately it's up to you to review and approve the code. Someone will say it's cheating. Guys, it's not cheating. There's nothing wrong with using AI to help you work smarter, not harder. Now that we've covered the benefits of AI tools and addressed some common myths, let's talk about how you can start using them. Here are some quick tips to get you started. Try out GitHub Copilot or ChatGPT in your IDE. Start small. Use AI to help you debug your code, explain code to you, or automate repetitive tasks. Experiment on side projects. This is the best way to learn new things without risking your main project. Look, AI won't replace developers, but developers who use AI will replace those who don't. So if you want to stay relevant and in demand, you need to start learning AI tools today. It's the smartest upgrade you can make. Thanks for watching and happy coding. Oh, and subscribe for more dev productivity tips.